So we need 12mm socket to open that plate on the throttle. Okay, so now a bit of an education lesson for everybody. Now this one is de-restricted at this point. This small plate, it allows the throttle to fully open. So if I now push the accelerator all the way down, I can see it's hitting this part. Okay, now what if I want to have the restrictions on? So if you see this plate, this one has this part a bit longer than this one, which means it'll restrict the throttle even further. So it'll probably stop your acceleration at that point. For example, if I go like all the way here, it'll stop, so you'll only have this much movement. But before, it was allowing me to full throttle all the way. I hope this one helps. If you want to put that in, try it. I'm pretty sure you can't go over 6,000 or 7,000 RPM, but if you have it unrestricted, you can go up to 12,000 RPM on the motorbike. I hope these two screws from here and also this one, so it'll slides down and this one slides this way. So once that's removed, you plug this one in, which is restricted or unrestricted, which one you want to go, whichever way you want to go. Put this one in, screws first, and then you can plug these wires in, or whichever order you want to go, whichever is easier. I reckon if you remove the plate and then put the throttle, that'll be easier. But yeah, just do your maths and yeah, just plug that in. Hopefully that'll help. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm not gonna do this because mine's already unrestricted. I don't want to restrict again. So yeah.